Welcome to SHREE RSC classes. So, today we will learn about the decimal place value system, and today we will learn about the place values of each digit in any decimal number. For example, let's say if I have a number like 35.183. Now, I'll be explaining you the place value of each digit in this number. So, first of all, we will be starting with the whole part. As we all know that the part which is towards the left side of the decimal is the whole part. This is the whole part. And the part which is towards the right side of the decimal is the fractional part. So now let us understand about the place values of all the digits that are there in this number. So, first of all, let's talk about this whole part. So, we will be doing whole part first of all. So, we can see that this 5 is in the ones column, this 3 is in the tens column. So, that means if I talk about the place value of this 5, it's going to be 5 only, as there is just one 5. And if I talk about the place value of this 3, that means there are 3 tens. 3 tens will make it 30. So the place value of this 3 is 30, as this 3 is in the tens column. Now, if we talk about this 1, we know that the place value of this 1 is the tens column. So, how do we write the tens column in the place or in the form of a decimal number? We write it as 0.1. It's very easy to understand. See, after the decimal, it is the first place. That's why you just need to put a decimal and just put the one after it. And before this, you just need to put a placeholder. Similarly, if I ask about this 8 is in the hundreds column. That means the place value of this 8 is going to be 0.01. And it is very easy to understand. See, this decimal, this decimal, then there is a 1, but see, we don't want to that one because we are looking for the place value of this 8 only. So, that 8 is after the second place from this decimal. So, the second place is going to be 1, 2. That means the place value of this 8 is going to be 0.08. Then, if we talk about this 3, so this 3 is in the thousands column and it is the third place after the decimal. So the place value of this 3 is going to be 0.003. We just need to put this 3 at the third place after the decimal and rest of the digits will become 0. So this is how we write the place values. Now let us solve some questions and let's become a pro in this. So for example, let's say if I have 75.23. So if I ask the place value of this 3, so first of all we will see what is the place value. Where is that 3? In which column is it? So it is the second place after the decimal. That means it is the hundreds column. Hundreds column means the place value is going to be 0.03. Let's do another question. For example, let's say if I have 32.393. If I ask you about the place value of this 3 that I've circled, so as I can see, it is at the third place after the decimal. That means it is at the thousands column. So the place value of this 3 is going to be 0.03. Let us do one more question. For example, let's say if I have 5.56 And if I ask you about the place value of this 5, which is just after the decimal, so it's going to be 0.5 because it is just after the decimal. So this is how we write the place values of the digits after the decimal, and we follow the same rule for the whole number that we were already knowing. So this is how we do it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.